20 emerging technologies that will change the world. Welcome to a future where groundbreaking technologies are transforming the world as we know it. These innovations are reshaping industries, revolutionizing communication, and solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. In this video, we'll explore 20 emerging technologies that will change the world. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is changing every industry, from healthcare to logistics. AI systems can analyze data faster than humans, automate tasks, and even make decisions. In medicine, AI is revolutionizing diagnosis and personalized treatment. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, from enhancing creativity to driving economic growth. 2. Quantum computing is unlocking unprecedented processing power by utilizing the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike traditional computers, quantum systems can solve problems in seconds that would take years to complete, with potential applications in drug discovery, cryptography, and climate change modeling. 3. 5G technology. 5G is transforming communication, offering faster internet speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect billions of devices simultaneously. This technology will power everything from self-driving cars to real-time virtual reality experiences, bringing us closer to a fully interconnected digital world. 4. Renewable energy innovations. With climate change becoming more pressing, renewable energy is vital to a sustainable future. Innovations in solar, wind, and advanced batteries are driving the adoption of clean energy. These technologies are not only reducing carbon emissions but also making energy more affordable and accessible. 5. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and trucks are on the verge of becoming mainstream. These vehicles use advanced sensors, cameras, and AI to navigate roads autonomously. This innovation promises to reduce traffic accidents, improve efficiency, and transform the logistics and transportation industries. 6. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotechnology is pushing the boundaries of medicine and agriculture. CRISPR, a revolutionary gene editing tool, is giving scientists the power to alter DNA and cure genetic diseases. Biotech is also making agriculture more resilient with engineered crops that resist pests and thrive in extreme climates. 7. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Virtual and augmented reality are redefining how we experience entertainment, education, and even healthcare. VR immerses users in digital worlds, while AR overlays information onto the real world. These technologies will soon be as common in our daily lives as smartphones. 8. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is the decentralized technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's transforming industries by providing secure, transparent ways to conduct transactions. Blockchain is also reshaping sectors like finance, supply chain management, and even voting systems. 9. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things connects billions of devices, from smartphones to smart refrigerators. This interconnectivity enables automation, monitoring, and remote control across homes, factories, and entire cities, making everyday life more efficient and connected. 10. Space exploration technologies. Space exploration is accelerating with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin developing reusable rockets and planning missions to Mars. Advancements in space tech promise new opportunities in communications, asteroid mining, and perhaps even human colonization of other planets. 11. 3D printing. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing by allowing the creation of custom parts, medical devices, and even homes. This technology is cutting costs, reducing waste, and enabling rapid prototyping across industries. 12. Advanced robotics. Robotics is transforming industries by taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks. From robotic surgery to automated manufacturing, robots are enhancing productivity and safety. In the future, robots could become a regular part of our daily lives. 13. Smart cities. Smart cities use IoT, AI, and big data to optimize infrastructure and resources. From managing energy consumption to reducing traffic congestion, smart cities will make urban living more sustainable, efficient, and comfortable. 14. Wearable health tech. Wearable health technology, like fitness trackers and biosensors, is making healthcare more personalized. These devices monitor health in real time, providing insights that help people live healthier lives and enabling early detection of illnesses. 15. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is enabling the manipulation of matter at the atomic level. This has immense applications in medicine, where nanobots could repair cells or deliver drugs directly to diseased areas. Nanotech will also revolutionize materials science, creating stronger, lighter, and more sustainable products. 16. Edge computing. Edge computing brings data processing closer to where it's generated, reducing latency and improving efficiency. This is essential for time-sensitive applications like autonomous vehicles, smart grids, and industrial automation. 17. CRISPR and genetic editing. CRISPR technology allows for precise editing of genes, unlocking new possibilities in medicine and agriculture. From curing genetic disorders to engineering crops that resist climate challenges, CRISPR is a game-changer in biotechnology. 18. Clean water tech. Access to clean water is a global challenge, but emerging technologies like advanced desalination, solar-powered purification, and water filtration systems are helping provide sustainable solutions, ensuring clean water for everyone. 19. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, allow direct communication between the brain and external devices. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, helping individuals with disabilities regain mobility and control over their environment. In the future, BCIs could even enhance human cognition. 20. Sustainable agriculture. Emerging technologies are transforming agriculture to meet the food demands of the future. Vertical farming, precision agriculture, and lab-grown meat are just a few innovations making farming more efficient, sustainable, and capable of feeding a growing population. These technologies are more than just innovations. They are shaping the future of humanity. As they continue to develop, they will solve problems, unlock new possibilities, and change the world. The future is closer than you think, and it's more exciting than ever. Which technology are you most excited about? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the future of tech.